It all began with a single question. What would you do with a year of free rent? The responses poured in, and they were nothing short of extraordinary. We knew we had something special with our little pandemic-born singing competition for our residents. But what if we went big? Really big? What if the grand prize was a full year of rent-free living, and what if we opened it up to every renter in the United States? That's 44.1 million households, a massive opportunity to change someone's life forever. With a mission that bold, we knew we could make a difference. What we didn't expect was just how many artists' lives we would touch and help transform in the process. From thousands of submissions nationwide, 60 phenomenal singers earned their spot in the quarterfinals, each one more captivating than the last. We then whittled it down to an elite top 10, artists brimming with talent and personality. They quickly became a close-knit family, sharing tips on promotion, connecting over their musical journeys, and even bonding over something as simple as their quirky sock collection. We knew America needed to see these stories, so we sent each finalist their own GoPro, asking them to capture their personal and artistic journeys. What they shared with us was nothing short of incredible. After sharing their stories, we put the tough decision of who would advance to our live finale in Atlanta in the hands of America. The nation voted, and our top 4 finalists emerged. Tanner from Texas, Hannah from Tennessee, Max from California, and Whitney from North Carolina. We flew them to Atlanta, where we surprised them at the Sonesta Hotel. The joy of meeting their fellow finalists was palpable, until an unexpected twist. One of our top 4, Hannah, got trapped in Houston during Hurricane Beryl, where she had been for her wedding. Delays held her back, but nothing could stop her determination to join the group as soon as it was safe. Finally, our top 4 came together in Atlanta at 1971 Sounds, where they collaborated with Grammy-winning producer Todd Lyons. They honed their craft, preparing for the finals with the guidance of a true industry legend. But the excitement didn't end there. The buzz online was unstoppable, and we realized this competition had become even bigger than we imagined. So we threw in a twist, opening the votes back up to choose a fan-saved finalist to join our top 4. America went wild, and they chose Haley Bice from Nebraska as our 2024 fan-saved finalist. Now with our top 5 set, it was time for them to meet our incredible panel of mentors. Craig Campbell, Autumn Nicholas, Thunderstorm Artis, Kendall Inskeep, and my amazing co-host Dave Finley brought their expertise and passion to each finalist, helping them elevate their performances to new heights. Our incredible house band worked diligently with our production team in collaboration with each of our finalists to bring their original songs to life and get them ready for the big stage. And then it was time for the live finale at the prestigious Terminal West in Atlanta. The atmosphere was electric, and our finalists were ready to give it their all. Haley Bice kicked off the night with her original song, Pick It Up, wowing the crowd with her undeniable talent. Tanner Bishop followed with his gritty rock-infused original country anthems, High Horse and Psycho Saloon, bringing profound depth and authentic talent to the stage. Whitney Manger's soulful Americana sound shone through her original songs Crash and Don't Give Up, demonstrating her deep embodiment of true artistry. Max Vogel's high-energy performances of his original songs Good Times and Bad News had the crowd on their feet, blending fun with deep vulnerability. And finally, Hannah Nicolaisen captivated us with her poignant songwriting and infectious melodies in her original songs I'm in Love and Permission to Change. The talent was overwhelming, the crowd was on fire, and in the end, the votes were cast to choose one artist whose life would change forever. The winner of ARIUM Sounds of Summer 2024 and a year of free rent was none other than the incredibly talented Hannah Nicolaisen.
Check the sound.
We are deeply thankful to all the amazing mentors, artists, and sponsors who made this season unforgettable. Your talent, passion, stories, and dedication have touched us all. This season was just the beginning. We'll see you again real soon.